This is our campsite, our newly acquired dome tarp. Kita gyud oy panapo. So ito guys, daming campers ngayon. And like before, actually this is our second time here. The plan was supposedly for Kanchanaburi, but we ended up coming back. It's because of the cleanliness, the accommodation. Look. Okay. Tingnan niyo yung guys. Yung ilog. Napakalinis dito, tingnan mo. Tingnan niyo. Napakalinis. Yan. Tingnan niyo guys. You see? So clean, well groomed, well maintained. Gandang campsite dito. Tapos bamboos are swaying, producing fresh air. Every time it sways, it boosts fresh air. You see, can you hear that? And children are playing in the water, swimming. Okay. And magulo pang kusina namin. Ang kitchen namin magulo. At least may kitchen na. May tambayan na, may tambayan. That's all for now. Busy yung mga kapitbahay natin kasi kakarating lang nila around 2 hours ago. Karating lang nila. So ganyang upuan ang gusto kong i-acquire next. Yan, yung ganyang upuan. Or yung logos na upuan, yung king size, maganda. Okay, thank you. God bless. Keep safe. Campers Creed. Signing off.